We are giving those who have been invited, you come here with an invitation card. And once you get here with your invitation card, we'll give you a QR card to scan with your phone. And then immediately it will tell you to register. Once you register, it syncs into our system. From there, we can be able to print these accreditation cards for them.
So when you're saying that you're coming in and you're given a QR code, does that mean that anybody else who has not received an invitation card from home will come here and receive the QR code?
No, if you have not been given an invitation card, we are not able to print for you a badge, and you cannot be allowed inside the gate.
So probably take us through this process. We are seeing that there are different desks manned by different people. Is it to cater for the different groups that have been invited? As I can see here, my camera person Brian will be showing there is the embassies, there is the Media Owners Association and all that. Then there is the delegates. Probably you could take us through this.
Yeah, from that side, we are able to handle the embassies. We are able to handle the diplomats. And then from these desks, we are accrediting everyone. People come, they sit from that side, then they will be called one by one. They go to various desks, and then they are sorted out to make it move faster.
Well, that is what we are getting, and everybody has been catered for when they make their way to this particular place. And we will, the digital?
This company is called Digital One. We are the one who are doing registration and accreditation.
Yes. And we have already seen an outpouring of people that started early in the morning as they came in. Remember, this auditorium houses about 700 people who will be coming in, and they will be watching from here. But we're also having the security team that is being manned to make sure that everybody who comes here has been vetted, and will be making sure that they come with that particular card, the invitation card that they were given, so as to make sure that the security is smoothless. Hello, madam.
Jambo wa Kenya, jambo wageni. Hapa ni sub-county ya Lang'ata, na huyu ni kamanda mkuu wa polisi eneo hili la Lang'ata, Miss Monica Kimani, na nataka kuambia mambo ya usalama. Tumeweka usalama ambao ni nzuri sana. Kuna sehemu 4 za ukaguzi, kuna main gate, kuna hapa mahali mnaona registrations, kuna pale chini na kwenye auditorium. Kwa hivyo security ni nzuri sana, na tunaomba delegates wale wamealikwa wawe very cooperative kwa sababu ya usalama wao na usalama wa wageni pia ambao tuko na wao kwa wingi.
Well, you're talking about the security that has been enhanced. Probably you will tell us the number of people that are coming in and the number of security officers that you've placed here, just to make sure that everything goes as smoothly as possible.
Thank you. We have over 100 police officers within this compound, and many others outside this compound. We have both in civics and in uniform, and so there is no reason to get worried. We are up to the task.